Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 7 of programming in HTML5. Basic HTML images. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the Finder, navigate to Documents, click on the HTML5 folder, right click index.html, open up with text edit, close out to Finder, increase the size of your text edit file, Command plus to increase the font size, take the previous video's code, which was the link, Command X, open the Word document with the code that we have saved, and now paste the code there. In the previous tutorial, we forgot to insert the paragraph code, so I will now type that out. So every time we take code and we're no longer using that code, we will save the code into a Word document. So I can save this, close out of Word, and now for this video, we need a basic image, which is on the desktop. If I double click this screenshot of HTML5, this will be the photo that we are using for our tutorial. And now in this text edit file, we are to insert the code that goes by image source, img src source equals speech marks and the image name. We will call it image.jpg, and then alternative text, alt equals speech marks image, and then the width and height of the image. So at the moment the image is very big. We will use a shortcut to pull out the calculator, command space 1094 divided by 2, which is 547. So I can put in 547, go back to the calculator, 1112 divided by 2, which is 556. And now we can insert the width and the height of the image itself. So we know the height is 1112, but in this case 556. So that will be the height equals speech marks, and the width itself will be 547 equals speech marks. We can close this off. We can save this. Before anything happens, we can open up the web browser to see what is really happening. Go to the dock, Finder, HTML5 folder, right click index.html, open with Safari, and that's what we see on screen, the image. Minimize Safari, close out of Finder, and now take this image on the desktop, Command C, go back to Finder. In the HTML5 folder, double click this and paste the image itself, Command V, and change the image's name to image.jpg. Yes, use JPG. And now if we go back to Safari, right click, reload the page, and there we have the image on screen. Close out of Safari, close out of text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.